Previously, Lucy discovered that Asher was not stupid at all. He was deliberately trying to destroy himself. One sentence, "then try to fix me," left her shaken, but before she could figure out whether it was flirting or a cry for help, a photo of them in the library was posted online. And in this episode, the harder Lucy tries to stay away from Asher, the more the entire school pushes her toward him.
English. Daily love.
Look at her trying to hide. She actually thinks people will forget. Can you stop drawing so much attention?
I am literally just breathing.
Well, breathe quieter. They are staring at us.
Let them stare. It costs nothing.
It costs my reputation. Everything I worked for.
Your reputation is perfectly fine, Scholar.
Lucy, I need you to focus. I am focused, Miss Bennett. Since you are his tutor, please help Asher catch up on the reading.
I look forward to it, teacher.
Did you hear that? She is his personal helper now. So pathetic. You are the center of all my problems.
You think I enjoy being looked at all day?
At least they look at you like a king.
And how do they look at you?
Like a joke. Like a cheap story.
Lucy, I didn't mean to.
That is enough talking from both of you. You two will stay after class today.
Are you serious? For talking?
Yes. You will clean the room and organize the files. This can't be happening. Are you gonna help me or just stand there?
I don't know how to clean, Lucy.
Figure it out. Just pick up the trash.
Fine. Don't yell at me.
You expect everyone to just serve you.
I never asked you to serve me.
You don't have to ask. People just do it because of your name.
Yeah, my great name.
You have everything. Why do you act like you hate it?
Because having things doesn't mean you own them.
That makes no sense, Asher. You wouldn't understand. Try me. Tell me what I don't understand.
Next. We should finish cleaning so you can go home.
Okay. We're almost done anyway.
Not now.
Is something wrong?
Dinner with the Blakes. 7 sharp. Do not make this harder. Perfect.
What was that for?
Nothing. Just a message from my father.
Does your family always order you around like that?
You read it?
I didn't mean to. The screen was bright.
It's fine. It's always the same anyway.
You ruin your own image on purpose, don't you?
At least here, I get to choose how I fail.
You are just trying to find some control.
Forget I said anything. Let's just finish cleaning.
I am too tired to judge you right now.
You work too hard, Scholar. Sleep well.
Thank you.
Sleep well.
What time is it? Wait, what is this? Oh my God. Is that his jacket? She slept here? With his clothes? He left it for me. Everyone is staring again. Reserved table. The Blake family. He dropped his family's invitation. What are you hiding, Parker? A love letter? None of your business, Madison. Back off. You really think wearing his blazer makes you special? You're just his newest distraction. I don't care what you think. Excuse me. I need to find him.
That's unfair.
Before someone else sees this card.
Whoa! Is that Calloway's jacket?
Please, Ryder. Keep your voice down.
Laughing. You stand out like a sore thumb, Scholar.
Sighing. I know. Have you seen him?
I think he went to the courtyard. Skipped first period.
Thank you. I need to give this back. Well, look at this. Sienna. Excuse me, I need to pass. That jacket is too big for you, Parker. I am just returning it to him. You should. Because you do not belong in his world. He is just playing with you. I am his tutor. Nothing more. Nothing less. Now, let me pass. Finally! Some quiet. Where is he?
Just one more hour. I hate this place.
Asher.
Look who found me. The Scholar.
I came to give this back. Thank you.
You can keep it. It looks better on you.
Take it, Asher. People are talking.
Let them talk. I don't care.
If you don't care, why do you look so stressed?
Drop it, Lucy.
You dropped something else, too. I found this in the pocket.
Give that to me. Did you read it?
Only the front. I'm sorry.
The Blake family. Of course. A perfect business dinner for a perfect son.
Sienna Blake. That's who they want you to be with?
They don't ask what I want. They arrange it.
Now I get it. Why you act so bad at school. You just want them to give up on you.
But they never do. They just force harder. I am trapped, Lucy.
You don't have to go. You can say no.
You don't say no to my father. It's cold out here.
A little bit.
Put it back on. You are shivering.
But everyone is staring at me inside.
Let them stare. I will deal with them. Keep it for today. Please.
Okay. Just for today.
Thank you.
I should get back to class.
Yeah. See you later, Scholar.
She still has it on. Unbelievable. Huh. Let them stare. It doesn't matter anymore.
7 sharp. Let the show begin.
Looks like you finally got him to listen to you, Lucy. A little bit, Miss Bennett. And I hope he survives tonight. That dinner sounds awful.
I won't let them win. Not this time.
So, the big dinner tonight. Are you ready? It is just a formality, Madison. Asher will behave. His father will make sure of it. Of course, he has no choice. Focus, Lucy. Just focus on your work. But he is so stubborn.
I make my own choices.
He is not a bad person.
I will give them a disaster.
Oh, Cam, do you ever run out of things to say? Are you talking to me, Parker? Yes, Madison, I am talking to you. If you have a problem, tell me directly. I don't have a problem. You are just a joke. Let it go, Maddie.
Madison, focus on your own work. Now.
Yes, Miss Bennett.
Good job on the essay, Lucy. Very insightful.
Thank you. I worked hard to figure it out.
So the scholar told you to back off?
She thinks she is safe because of him.
Hey, man! Where is your jacket? Move, Ryder. Whoa, okay. Just asking, man. Chill. Do not talk to me today.
What is wrong with him? School is finally over. I survived the day. What is that? A piece of paper? He tore it up. He is actually going to fight them.
Are you collecting trash now, Scholar?
Asher, you ripped the invitation. What will happen tonight?
Nothing good.
But that is the point.
If they want me to play a role, then I'll make my own ending.
Be careful, Asher. They control everything. You don't have to destroy yourself just to make them angry.
I know. You told me that already. You kept it on, even with all the gossip.
I told you. Let them stare.
You are tougher than you look, Scholar.
I have to be. I don't have a rich family to hide behind.
Keep it until it gets warmer.
Okay. Thank you. Good luck tonight. With the dinner.
I just need a match to light the fire. Let it burn.
He is going to do something crazy. I just know it. The Blake family. Sienna. It's none of my business. I have my own problems to worry about. Just focus on the scholarship. Did you see how he looked at Ryder? He was furious. He is acting crazier than usual. And she is still wearing it. How desperate! Have a nice evening, Madison. Did she just ignore me? The scholarship girl? She is different today. Their words only matter if I let them. And I'm done letting them decide who I am.
Hey. Sorry about earlier, man. You good? I am fine, Ryder. Go home.
This place is a prison. And my house is worse.
Okay. Let's go home. Tomorrow is a new day. I thought you left already.
The driver is late. Quietly, I see you are still wearing it.
Firmly. I promised I would.
For today.
Don't do anything you will regret tonight, Asher.
I only regret the things I don't do.
That is not true, and you know it.
My ride is here. Try to study hard, Scholar.
See you tomorrow, Asher.
Maybe.
Maybe? What does that mean? Oh. Sigh. He is definitely going to do something stupid.
See you in English Daily Love.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and stay with the channel. More simple and emotional stories are coming, and we will learn English together through each other. See you in the next story.